Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable credit card auto recharge in Electrify America. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable credit card auto recharge in Electrify America, start by opening the Electrify America app on your mobile device. Log in to your existing account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the account section in the menu. Look for the Payment Methods option and select it. Here, you will see your registered credit card details. Select the credit card you want to modify. In the payment options, find the setting for auto recharge. Tap on the toggle to disable auto recharge. You may need to confirm this action in a pop-up dialog. Once confirmed, the auto recharge feature will be turned off for that card. Review your account to ensure the changes took effect. If needed, you can also remove the credit card from your account entirely. To do this, go back to the Payment Methods section. Select the card you want to delete. Look for an option that says Remove and tap on it. Confirm the removal in the subsequent prompt. After these steps, your credit card will no longer be set for auto recharge in Electrify America. Keep your account updated and check for any changes to payment features regularly. This will help you manage your charging expenses effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.